Okay. Okay. One thing we need to do here, like after this, like else condition, we need to write another if condition. Okay. If condition, we can write if condition. Okay, fine. We can write another if condition here. Okay. If is said dollar underscore post, no, not dollar underscore post, session user underscore id. If is set session variable, the if old is set the session variable, which is user id, means the session variable, the user id variable, the user id session variable is set. So we are going to use a function which is header, and header function, like we are going to write location, it's going to index.php. Fine, done for now. I hope it will work. It means if this session variable already set, so it will redirect to the index.php. Fine. uh, Hope it will work. Done. Okay, fine. um, okay, so let's go back to the browser and mm, okay, going back to the index.php. Okay, it's working. Click on the login form here, and here we are going to write the current, sorry, write the correct username password that I already um, created or inserted from here. Click on the insert, and here I have put the name that is like Bucky, and the username is the Bucky. Okay, password is 123, and press enter. Okay, and let's click on the browse. See, id is 2. Why id is 2? Because it is auto incremented, and it is a primary key. See, primary key and auto increment, that's why it is auto incrementing by itself. Okay, and click on the browse, and this is the Baki username and 123. So let's write Baki, and the password is 123, and click on the login. Okay, login from here. Fine, login from here, login from here, login from here. And if I'm going to click the login.php, it will never go to the login.php, because the session is already started. So that's why it will not go to the login.php again. But if the session is started, how we can print the session data, like welcome, uh, welcome Kaushik, welcome the username, welcome username. Okay, like that way, and we have to put a logout button. So once you click the logout button, if the session will destroy, and going back to the user, going back to the index.php, and click on the login form, and you go to the login form again. Okay, so let's do that. For that, what we need to do, we are going to create, uh, what we need to do, we are going to create a logout. We are going back to the index.php again. Let me going back to the index.php. Okay, and we are going to print the session data. Okay, here we're going to print the session data here. Simply what we need to do, just right, because we are going to print the session data. For that, we are going to create a php uh, tag. We create the php tag, and we will write session underscore, oh sorry, session underscore start. This is a function. Okay,